Today we're going to show you how to save sprouts from thinning. First, you're going to need containers to move your extra sprouts into. Make sure you have extra dirt next to you at all times in case of emergencies. So today we were supposed to thin out our cantaloupe plants so they have more room to grow. But instead, we're going to move them to new pots.
Let's move them.
Alright, so what you want to do is you want to go a little bit away from the base of the plant. And you just want to dig down until you find the first root. You want to be really gentle so you don't break the roots. Now, as you can see, right here, you can see the root coming down, and that's where you want to be. Alright, so you want to go next to that root, and you want to press down, and get under the root, and just kind of push up. Once the plant actually gives, which it's not right now, it's still rooted down to the bottom, so you can kind of push the dirt out of the way. And there it goes. And then you just pull that whole root system out instead of just killing the plant. Alright, so first you want to just put a base layer at the bottom because you don't want the roots to be touching the plastic. So just a really thin layer. And then you're going to line your plants up with it. So we would put it right there. Alright, it's good to have a partner right now because you can have them scoop the dirt in. Alright, so can you scoop some dirt in? And you just want to kind of sprinkle it around the roots. And see if the roots get pushed out of the way, you just kind of tap them back in. Now that we've got it pretty much to the top, you're just going to kind of press the dirt in around its stem. Make sure it's holding itself up, because if it's not, then you didn't get the roots lined up right, because it's not stable. And you just want to make sure that thin part of the stem is covered. Alright guys, there we go. And that's how you save your sprouts.